Listen to me carefully. If you want to build wealth, stop treating payday like a celebration. The day you get paid should not be the day you ask, "What can I buy?" That must end with an empty bank account. It should be the day you ask, "How much of this money can I keep, grow, and put to work for me?" Because wealth is not built by how much money you make. It is built by what you consistently do with the money you receive. Here is the first thing I want you to do every payday. Pay yourself first. Before the bills, before shopping, before helping everybody around you, put something aside for your own future. Even if you cannot save a large amount, start with what you can. If you receive $1,000, don't wait until the end of the month to see what is left. Save first. Because if you spend first and promise yourself that you will save whatever remains, many times nothing will remain. Your future deserves to receive money from your paycheck too. Lessons 2. Handle your important bills. After setting aside your savings, take care of the things that truly matter. Rent, utilities, food, transportation, debt payments, your basic responsibilities. Don't allow lifestyle spending to consume the money meant for your necessities. A financially disciplined person doesn't ask, "Can I afford this today?" They ask, "Will paying for this today make my life harder tomorrow?" That one question from many financial mistakes. That one question can save you from many, many financial mistakes. 3. Give every dollar a job. Now, I want you to do something very simple. Give your money a job. Don't let your paycheck sit in your account without a plan. Decide how much is going toward bills, how much is going toward savings, how much is going toward investing, how much is available for personal spending. And if you have family responsibilities, plan for those too. When your money has no assignment, your emotions will give it one. And emotions love shopping. 4. Build your emergency fund. Another thing you should do every payday is build your emergency savings. Life doesn't always give you warning. Your car can break down. Your income can change. An unexpected bill can appear. And when you have no emergency savings, a small problem can become a huge financial crisis. So start building that safety net. You don't have to build it overnight. Every time you get paid, put some money aside. Don't spend all your income. Keep adding to your savings. One day, when an unexpected expense comes, you will be glad you prepared for it. 5. Invest in your future. Now we come to something very important. Don't only save money, learn to grow it. Once your basic financial foundation is in place, consider putting some money toward long-term investments that fit your goals, risk tolerance, and situation. Remember, investing is not about becoming rich overnight. It is about giving your money the opportunity to grow over time. And please don't invest in something simply because somebody online promised you quick money. Understand what you are putting your money into. Your hard-earned money deserves wisdom, not excitement. Number 6, control lifestyle inflation. Here is one trap I want you to avoid. Every time your income increases, don't immediately increase your lifestyle. You get a raise, you don't have to upgrade everything. You don't suddenly need a more expensive phone, a bigger apartment, more designer clothes, more expensive restaurants. Enjoy your progress, yes, but let some of that increase go toward building your future. Because if your income goes up and your spending rises just as fast, you may earn more money without becoming any wealthier. Number 7, check your money before the next payday. And finally, before your next paycheck arrives, look back. Ask yourself, where did my money go? What did I spend unnecessarily? What did I do well? What needs to change next month? Don't be afraid to look at your bank statement. Your bank statement is not there to shame you. It is there to teach you. When you understand where your money is going, you can finally tell it where to go. Let me leave you with this. You don't need a huge salary to begin building better financial habits. Do this every time you get paid. You need discipline. You need a plan. And you need consistency. Every payday is another opportunity to make your future a little stronger. So the next time your paycheck arrives, don't ask, what can I buy? What can I build? Save something. Handle your responsibilities. Invest wisely. Control your spending. And keep building. Because wealth is rarely created in one big moment. It is built quietly, payday after payday, decision after decision. If you want more practical financial lessons that can help you build a stronger financial future, subscribe to Grandma's Wealth Academy. And remember, don't just work for your money. Learn how to make your money work for your future. Thank you very much for watching. See you in my next class.